Regular cleaning helps prevent buildup of skincare products, sweat, and other debris on your device that can interfere with charging and other functionality. Avoid using abrasive materials, ultrasonic cleaning tools, solvents, alcohol, soaps, and steam to clean your devices, as these can damage your devices. Do not hold your devices under running water. Keeping your band dry can help prevent damage and irritation. To clean Meta Neuroband, make sure the band is turned off by pressing and holding the button for 6 to 7 seconds. Use a clean, soft, dampened cloth to wipe the band, sensors, and the compute module. If you're experiencing charging issues, you can use non-alcohol wet wipes to rub the metal charging pins. Dry off the band and charger completely before charging or putting it back on. For more videos and information about using Meta Ray-Ban display and Meta Neuroband, visit the Getting Started Hub by scanning the QR code on the reference guide. You can also visit our Help Center to learn more or contact Meta Store support.